Ndewo no. Hello. No, no. Welcome. My name is Ifi Okiche, the owner of Preserve Our Heritage, where our goal is to help you to speak and to understand the Igbo language. Today, I'm so excited to have two special guests on my show, and we're going to demonstrate how to have simple conversation in Igbo and how to name a few body parts in the Igbo language. Let's go. You want to tell us your body parts in Igbo? Go ahead.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Aka, hand, no, and the ear.
Good job.
Easy head.
Awesome. Awesome. And then we're going to have a simple conversation in the Igbo language. Ndewo.
Ndewo.
Kedu aha gị?
Aha m bụ Amara.
Good job. Kedu aha gị means what is your name? And the response is aha m bụ, and then you say your name. Ndewo means hello. Kedu aha gị means what is your name? And to respond you say aha m bụ Ifi Okiche. Aha m bụ
Amara Emmanuel.
Awesome. For more updates like this, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Que